Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word dreamy. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The view from the mountaintop was so dreamy, with the sun setting behind the clouds in a rainbow of colors. Dreamy describes something that has a peaceful, romantic, or ethereal quality, often creating a sense of imagination, fantasy, or nostalgia. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.